Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the finest in automotive luxury and innovation. Today's spotlight is on the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a car that redefines first-class travel on four wheels. More than just a vehicle, it's a statement of success, elegance, and technological dominance. The Maybach badge isn't just a name, it's an experience that surrounds you in handcrafted excellence. And the 2025 model takes that legacy to even greater heights. The front design of the new Maybach S-Class is nothing short of regal. The iconic Maybach grille with its vertical chrome slats instantly grabs attention, projecting power and refinement. Flanking the grille are digital light LED headlamps, which not only look stunning, but are also capable of projecting road warnings and lane guides. The sculpted hood and chrome-accented lower fascia add a commanding presence, creating a front end that's both graceful and assertive. From the side, the 2025 Maybach S-Class reveals its limousine-like silhouette with a long, flowing body that's all about presence and proportion. The extended wheelbase is subtly integrated, emphasizing rear cabin space without disturbing the car's natural balance. Chrome trim runs along the lower doors and window frames, while the Maybach emblem on the C-pillars reminds you this isn't just a Mercedes. It's something far more exclusive. Optional two-tone paint finishes further elevate its bespoke charm. Around the rear, elegance continues with a minimalist yet majestic look. The slim LED taillights are intricately detailed, joined by a chrome strip for a touch of sophistication. The rear bumper features integrated exhaust finishers and chrome highlights, reinforcing the luxury DNA. Every angle from the back has been designed to reflect refinement, ensuring that even when it's driving away, the Maybach leaves a lasting impression. Step inside, and the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury craftsmanship and digital innovation. The seats are wrapped in quilted Napa leather. The trim is real wood and metal, and ambient lighting offers 64 colors to match any mood. The MBUX system includes an old touchscreen, a 3D digital gauge cluster, and voice control that responds to natural speech. Rear passengers are treated to reclining seats with massage, ventilation, and calf support. Plus individual entertainment screens and a fridge if you choose. Underneath the elegance is serious engineering. The 2025 Maybach S-Class offers both a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and a 6.0-liter V12. It's both enhanced with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology. The V8 delivers around 496 horsepower, while the V12 generates over 600 horsepower, allowing this luxury limo to accelerate like a sports car 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Adaptive suspension, active noise cancellation, and rear axle steering make the ride whisper quiet and incredibly smooth, no matter the terrain. With a starting price around $200,000 and climbing above $250,000 fully loaded, the 2025 Maybach S-Class is undoubtedly positioned for an elite clientele. But what you get for the price is more than a car. You get a sanctuary of peace, a rolling boardroom, and a status symbol that doesn't shout but speaks volumes.